And then now let's just go to our structure, how to write essay yethu. Essay yethu yapha economics is out of 40 marks. The 40 marks lower is divided into 4 parts. Well, the first part, that first part is called the introduction in our essay, which is only for 2 marks, the introduction in our essay. What is expected from the learner to write on the introduction? We are expected to describe the concept or describe the topic, which is higher. We have to look at the question. Those of ibuziwe bayithini na question ibuziweyo pha question 5 or question 6, and then you look at the concepts that normally appears on that particular topic, or actually you describe the topic itself by yintoni people uthetha ngayo pha, you describe it. Let's make an example. Let's say mhlambe phaka grade 12 i-question yakho phaya ithi discuss features underpinning a business cycle forecasting, which is phaya what you need to write on your introduction. You just need to describe the term business cycle. You describe the term business cycle as your introduction, which is you'll get 2 marks. Then from there you skip a line, moving to the main body of your essay. The main body of the essay is divided into 2. There's a main part and the additional part. The first part, which is the main part, it is out of 26 marks, whereby you are expected to discuss in details, you are expected to explain, to analyze in details, which is whereby you are answering that particular question. Let's say this is our question. It is discuss in details features underpinning a business cycle, which is whereby you have to discuss each and every feature under a business cycle. Let's say, for example, we have the indicators. So the learner indicators, and then the first indicator is called leading, which is, bear in mind, economics is very simple. There are marks nje eziphisayo phaya. By only writing the heading, which is leading, you get 1 mark, which is now we have a maximum mark and 8 marks only for writing subheadings. Awukadiscuss kwanto, so ubhale nje only subheadings. We have a maximum mark of 8 marks. We have to write leading as the first feature underpinning the business cycle. Then you get a mark just for writing leading. And then from there you write some points explaining